how to transfer money from Philippines to Albania. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and tap on send money. Now, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippines currency. Now, type it in the search bar as you can see. So after you select it, now select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the Albania currency, as you can see. Now, if you don't find it, the currency of Albania is euro. Now tap on euro. Now here you can type how much you want to transfer. For example, 10,000, 100,000, any amount that you want to transfer. Now, as you can see, here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now, after that, tap on paying with. And now, as you can see, select your payment method. There is only one payment method. It's bank account. Now tap on it, and now tap on add recipient. Now, as you can see here, tap on bank details, and now select someone else. Now, as you can see, provide your email. It's optional. If the recipient is inside Europe, you can provide just full name and IBAN. If it's outside Europe, you will provide phone name, SWIFT, BIC code, and IBAN account number, and click on continue. And after that, your recipient will receive that money on their bank accounts. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Albania. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.